Nope, nope, there we go. This is the one I'm looking for. We might have to change this timer's name and makes a separate one for the buttons, the up arrows, because if we leave it in there as it is, it's going to keep affecting the boxes, which I don't want. So for now, I'll tell you what we do. We're going to comment these out. So I'm going to put 2 star signs like so, and one above this one. We can always come back to this to the end. It's not relevant right now. So we should be able to see those 3 boxes regardless. All I'm going to do is actually, in fact, when we start box timers, I believe it's called, I'm going to have to set to 1. Okay, so let's test it for the other one. Yeah, there you go. Don't worry about for that timer right now. We'll have to change that towards the end. So let's just add the new up arrow for this one. Up arrows, where are you? Up arrow, up arrow. There we go. So we have 11. We need 15, was it? I think. I'm sure it was. So we're gonna need 4 more. So we're gonna need 16. Yeah. Oh look, perfectly. It's right there. So, not that one, sorry. Element 12, we're gonna position right in the corner up here. Gonna drag it up. Increase its value. Um, 44.8. We're going to stick with the same values for the other ones. 183. That's good. So when we click on this one, you hit up arrow skin 1, which is exactly what I wanted. Perfect. So I'm going to copy this scripts components, and I'm going to paste the values. Okay, I'm going to turn all the booleans off. I'm going to go back into our script and we'll make the next 2 buttons. Okay, here we're here. So I'm going to copy this, paste one here, paste one here. So we ended up 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, then 20, 21, 22, 23. Save. I'm just going to put comment lines on top because it's going to be very confusing otherwise. Up arrow skin button. Okay, that should be fine. I'm going to put 1 after this one. I'm going to end it down here. End. I'm going to put end because I know where it ends. So I'm going to copy the end ones. Just going to put them underneath here. I'm going to copy the bottom one. Put 1 on top of here. Put 1 on top of here. Put this to 3. Put this to 2. Save your script go back into, change this to 2 and change this to 3. Let's go back into Unity. Let's update. Okay. Alright, so let's run the game. Customize menu. Customize skin. And we have to set the arrays for that. So we need 21, which is going to be 24, I think. No. Was it 20 skins or 21? No, it was 23. I was in the correct thing, sorry. 24, which is 23 skins. 23 elements, sorry. Alright, so let's set this one up. This is the second button. Let's position it. Okay. It's going to be 183 for element 18, followed by the 4.8. That's fine as it is. Okay. Perfect. There we go. So you should have element 16 233.27, element 17 as 17.3, element 18 183, then 44.8 for 19. 20 is going to be 4369.9, sorry. 21 is going to be 16.5, 22 is going to be 183, element 23 is going to be 44.8. And once we click on the buttons, it should be the correct ones. So that should display 1, display 2, display 3. What I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the components. I'm going to stop the game. I'm going to paste the values. And I'm going to turn all these off and save. Alright. Now, what I'll do for now is I should actually, in fact, start working on the other script, because we're going to start calling that very soon. Alright, so this is our new script, weapon skin system. Inside here we're going to have a couple of variables, not too much, just 3-4 I guess. And the first one I need is something called current skin set. So I'm going to say var current skin set. It's going to be a type of int. We do not want a float. The next one's going to be for object skin to change. It's going to be a type game object. Later on this will change, but for now it's going to be fine. I don't think I need anything else, do I? No, we do need one more, and this one's going to be the actual skins, because we don't have an array for those yet. So I'm going to call this M4A1 skins, because it's the skin for the M4s, nothing else. And it's going to be a type texture, and I'm going to put a closing semicolon after this. Alright, so let's go into Unity. Oops. Click on your main camera. Minimize the up arrow arrays for now, because we don't want to see that. Okay, there it is. There's the M41 skins. So this is the most painful part. I have to look for the skins and attach them. Oh god, what do I call a folder now? There we go. Skin files. I see them. So I have about roughly 82 skins in this. So bear with me. I'm going to teach you guys a shortcut. So there's 82 skins. Okay, 83. Right, there's 83 skins. If you're gonna individually drag these, it's gonna be a nightmare. So what you can do, in fact, is on top here, you see this button here? It's like a lock sign. You want to click on that. It's gonna lock this for you. So now, if you click anywhere on this scene, it's gonna remain there. What I can do now is select every single skin I have. Oh. Alright, and then I'm going to go here. I'm going to drag the very first skin and I'm going to drag it in on top of M4A1 skins, just right here. Oh yeah, I don't need to do that, so let's just zero this out. Get your highlight and drag it, and that's it. It's done it automatically for you. So perfect, all the skins are added. I'm going to unlock this, because if you don't, if you click somewhere else, it's going to stay locked and you'll be confused. We don't want that. So main camera, now if we open these up, all the skins are there. Perfect. It's in the correct order, I believe. Nah, it's not. It doesn't matter. No, it does. So I'm just gonna zero this out again. I'm gonna select the skins by tens. So 1 to 10. I'm gonna drag that in. That doesn't matter, screw it. I'm just gonna undo that. Okay, that should be fine. Just save your script. Go back in here. In the start function, we don't need anything, so we can pretty much remove this. Unless I do need anything. Nope. The fun part begins in here. I'm going to just change one skin for now. Just one. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to say if, open bracket, close bracket, open curly brace, closing curly brace. Inside here, I'm going to say current skin set is equal to 0. I want to change our object skin to the default skin. Save this. Now you see it is going to be an issue because I need the default skin to be all the way in the top. No, not really. No, I'm gonna have to, so bear with me guys, I'm gonna have to pause this video and drag those onto that because I can't have it the way it is. I need them to be in ascending order. So I'm gonna zero this out, I'm gonna pause the video and I'll be right back. Right, so we are back. I didn't add all the skins. That should be fine for now. I do want to thank you, Mark, for making these wonderful skins for me. Otherwise, I would not be able to make this tutorial for you guys. So thank you, dude. I appreciate your help. So let's go back in here. And inside here, I'm going to say, no, let's go back out. And what I need to do is quickly object skin to change, I need to actually attach the object to that. So where is the actual object? Not the body, I just want the gun itself. Okay, it's body, that's fine. The body goes in there, save, go in here. Now I'm going to say object skin to change dot renderer dot material dot main texture equals M4A1 skins open bracket open square bracket 0 close square bracket. So if it's equal to 0, it's going to be equal to our default skin. Now I'm going to copy this, I'm going to paste it in here, I'm going to put this as 1 and I'm going to change this to 1. So let's just quickly do that as a test. Okay, I'll sort that afterwards. That's not an error, guys. That's nothing related to the tutorials. Don't worry about that. Okay. Yes, I know. That's fine. Okay, so let's set this to 1 and see what happens. There we go. The skin changed. I'm not sure if you guys noticed that. Let me just stop the game and I'll do that again for you. So let's hit customize skin. Once the gun's on the table, you can see our current skin is 0. If I change it to 1, it changed the skin. Now the ultimate goal is to change the skins when we hit this, the up arrow. So that's what we're going to do. But before that, I'm going to add some more skins. They're not that really hard to do. So I can pretty much copy these, paste them about, I don't know, 4 or 5 times. Okay. Just so we have a couple of skins to work with. I'm going to put this to 2, then I'm going to change this to 2, then this to 3, then this to 3, then this to 4, then this to 4, then followed by 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, and 7. Brilliant. Now let's go back into upgrade advanced system. Now let's go for our up arrow skin button 1. When I hit this one, I want to change the actual body skin. So to do that, if you remember here, we made a reference to our other script, weapon skins, and it's calling for our weapon skin system. That's our reference. We're going to use that and call things from that. So to do that, you want to go to here, into your up arrow, and we're going to say weapon skins dot. Now you don't see nothing, that's fine, don't be afraid. I called it current, I think weapon, current skin set. Current skin set. And I'm going to tell it to be equals to plus equals 1. So every time I click on this, oops, sorry about that. Every time I click on this, I want the value to increase, and as that goes on, the skins will change as well. So let's see if this works. Okay, perfect. So keep an eye down here. I want you to see the skin set change. Run the game. Let's click on customize skin, and the moment of truth, when I click up, it should change this to 1. There you go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's all we have so far. If you go beyond that, you're going to see nothing. Perfect. Now we don't have the down arrow set yet, so once we do that, we can tell it to go down. How long is this recorded for so far? I can quickly make the down arrows, that won't be that long. So what we do is, underneath end, we're going to put 2 comment lines, and I'm going to put this as down arrows skin button 1. Okay, I'm going to call this end. Okay, I'm going to copy this, paste it one more time. There we go. Then I'm going to call this 2. Then I'm going to call this 3. Save. Inside the first one, all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to change this to down. Now all I actually have to do is copy all the down arrows, replace them here. Okay. And we're going to change the down arrow skin, which is called down arrow skin, not up arrow skin. Okay, save that. And I want to go to down arrows. The last one ended at 11, so it's going to go from 12 and then so on. So 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm going to change this message box to hit down rather than up, like so. I can copy this, can paste one in here, and I can paste one in here, and I'm going to change the values 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Then it goes to 20, then 21, 22, 23. Save. Once again, just change this to 1, 2, and 3. Done. Let's go into Unity and let's set those down arrows. So look for down arrows, which are here. We're going to set that to 24. Okay, I'm going to go into game. I'm going to go to customize menus, change skin. There they are. Okay, so the first one we want to change is element 12, which is the first button, and I'm going to position it down here. I'm going to put this as 183, and that's fine. The next one's going to be element 16. I'm going to position it down here. And it's element 18. Width is going to be 183. Then element 20. Then element 21, which is bringing it down. And element 22, 183. I'm going to copy the components of this script. And I'm going to paste the values. And I'm going to minimize this. Going to run the game, just make sure it displays the right messages. So okay, perfect. Right, so we can stop our scripts. We're going to turn all the booleans off, set the timers to 0, just leave customize box timer as it is. Right, inside this one here, which says you hit down arrow skin 1, all I'm going to do is I'm going to say weapon sights dot, not sight, sorry, weapon skins. Was it weapon skins or skin? Weapon skins dot current skin set minus equals 1. Alright, so every time we click on the down, it's going to minus 1. And that should change your skins back to the previous skin. So let's check that out. So we have our menu. I click customize skin, it goes into our changing skin mode. I hit up, it brings this skin. I hit down, it goes back to default skin. So up to 7, back to 0. So that's how you pretty much change skin, and you obviously can carry on as much as you like. And obviously we're gonna be changing skins for the sight and maybe the silencers, or we can even change it for the lasers. You guys let me know in the comment below which ones you'd like to see, and I can cover that. We're still not finished with this, don't worry, I'm gonna do more tutorials on it yet. It's turning out to be longer than I expected, so yeah. And yep, I'm gonna call this video quits for today. As always guys, I appreciate you watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please smash that like button. If you didn't, that's fine. As always, thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful 2015.